Hi guys, I hope you had a great second week. I just want to talk to you about this week's work, and I sort of want to specify that I remember when I said that sometimes our homework would not be due at 11:59 p.m. but at a different time, so that is one of these times. What will happen is that I'm asking you to complete an outline, and I talk all about it. I need you to choose two versions, so one in your yellow book, for example, and then maybe a film or a cartoon. I want you to compare and contrast them. I've given you an example of a student sample that I've gone over in this video. Please do watch it. It will help you understand what I'm looking for. Please don't start writing your essay. Just fill in the outline in simple terms with very specific ideas in mind. Okay, so please watch that video and look at the sample. The second thing, so that will be due on Monday because I want to give you feedback before you write your rough drafts. And then the rough drafts will be due at 11:59 on Friday. 2 to 4 pages, Times New Roman, 12-point font. I give you some examples, a link to Purdue OWL, and then I give you a student sample of a paper. So that's what's going on this week. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out, but please do remember that deadline on Monday. Thanks so much. Have a great week.